Okay, so for activity 2, this is called hot dogs and buns. And so your prompt says each package of hot dogs has 10 hot dogs, and each package of hot dog buns has 8 buns. So the hot dogs come in packs of 10, the buns come in packs of 8. Number 1, Lynn expects to need 50 hot dogs for a class picnic. So how many packages of hot dogs should she get? Show or explain your reasoning. So tell how you know that you're going to have enough hot dogs for her. Okay? Part B of that says, can Lynn get exactly 50 hot dog buns? So that's a yes or no and a why or why not. And so how many hot dog buns should Lynn get? Explain or show your reasoning. So if she can get 50, prove it. If she can't, then tell why, again prove it, and then tell how many hot dog buns she can or should get. The next page says number 2, Diego expects to need 72 hot dogs for a class picnic. Part A, how many packages of hot dogs should he get? Show or explain your reasoning. Part B, how many packages of hot dog buns should Diego get? Show or explain your reasoning. So remember, you don't want not enough, but you also don't want like 30 extra that are going to go bad. Okay? And then the last question, can you find a number of hot dogs that you could buy so that you can get the same number of buns? So in other words, is there a number of hot dogs in a pack, like how many packs you can get, where you will have the same number of hot dogs as you will the same number of buns? Now the number of packs are going to be different, but the number of actual hot dogs and the number of actual buns will be the same. You'll have to think about that one.